Today we're taking a look at a new trading bot called Mizar. This is a super cool product. They offer some super cool and unique features like their volatility bot that I'm going to show you very soon. Now, if you enjoy the content, make sure you smash a like and subscribe down below. Now, if you want to get 10% less fees on their platform, make sure you sign up with the link down below. But this is essentially what it looks like. So this is on their terminal. This is what it looks like when you want to trade any sort of tokens. You select wallets on your right hand side, and then you can obviously buy and sell right here. For example, if I want to buy 0.1 Solana, I just click buy and there you go. You obviously have your chart, you have your main stats, your smart stats, you have security, as well as smart swaps that has happened from smart wallets. When you do sign up, you need to create a new wallet. Obviously, that is something you also do here on the terminal. You see your wallets right here and you just click on this plus button and you will be given a new wallet with a seed phrase, with a private key, etc. So you can import it into Phantom if you would like to do that. You have your trendy tokens on top, but that's not obviously what you care about. You want to know what sets this platform apart and how you can make the most money possible with Mizar. So if I head over to bots right here, you can see that I have this one bot set up. I just set this up like an hour ago, so it hasn't done any trades yet. But if you do want a follow-up video where I really put their volatility bot as well as their copy trading bot to the test with, for example, 5 or 10 Solana for a week, like I have done before, to really see how good these bots are, do let me know down below in the comment section. I would definitely be up for something like that. But this volatility bot is super cool. So if I click on create new volatility bot right here, the way it works is that it basically scalps or snipes any token when it drops a specific amount. Basically, it makes you money based on the volatility of a token. So let me just call this test 2. Let me select the wallet I want to use and then select buy amount for every single purchase. In this case, let's do 0.1 Solana, for example. Then you can set up your own take profit strategy. For example, at 15% profit, I want to sell 50%. And then at 40% profit, I want to sell the remaining 50%. You can also set a stop loss if you want to. I will not put that in right now. You also have gas and slippage, but these standard fees are okay. I will probably just increase the slippage to 50%, maybe the priority fee just a tiny bit. And then you have your volatility settings. So this is where you decide when you actually want the bot to purchase a specific token. For example, in this case, I want to put if a token drops by 20% in the last 15 minutes. You can also put 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, or 60 minute, but I think 15 minute is a good time range. So whenever any of the whitelisted tokens fall 20% in the last 15 minutes, it will automatically snipe 0.1 Solana of that token. And once it bounces 15%, I will sell 50% of my position once. And if it continues to pump up to 40%, the bot will automatically sell the rest of the position. When it comes to the whitelisted tokens, you can choose these yourself if you have a list of specific tokens you want this bot to work on, but they also have smart presets. So you can, for example, tell the bot to only snipe and keep an eye on the top 10 alpha calls because they have their own alpha call section on their platform, which I will show you very soon, or lost alpha calls. You can do the hot tokens ranked by 24-hour volatility index. You can do hot tokens ranked by 24-hour trading volume. You can do hot tokens ranked by 24-hour smart money net inflow, which is pretty cool, as well as price change, or you can set your custom preset as well. My favorites would probably be the trading volume and the smart money options. In this case, let me do the smart money tokens. So these are all the tokens that the bot will keep an eye on, and if any of them do drop 20%, it will snipe the token and wait for a bounce to happen. Once this is done, you just click save. You need to confirm your settings and your new bot. Click on save and the bot will be up and running. And once any of the whitelisted tokens hits those specific parameters, it will get sniped instantly. So this is a super cool bot that I haven't seen on any other trading platforms, and I do think if you select the right whitelisted tokens and set it up in the right way, it can make you a lot of money. Now, as I said, if you do want me to put it to the test properly with $1,000, for example, for a week, do let me know down below. Then next to the bots manager, you also have your tokens manager. So these are the tokens that are currently being watched by my bots. And then they also have a really solid copy trading feature. So copy trading obviously is a very powerful tool as well. If you have seen any of my previous copy trading challenges, a lot of those challenges ended in me actually making quite a bit of money. Now it obviously comes down to what wallets you end up copying, but copy trading can be a super powerful tool. So if I were to set this up, let's do test first one. You can see that the setup looks similar to the Volatility bot, but in this case, you obviously need to choose the specific wallet you want to be copying. In this case, I would definitely do a lot of research. I'm going to show you how you can find profitable wallets right here on Mizar very soon. You can do max number of trades. You obviously need to select your wallet. You need to select buy amount, how much you want to copy for. Then you can also set your take profits and stop losses. And you have more advanced settings and safety measures right here. Now, if I head over to the dashboard, this is where you can see all of the analytics and performance of your own wallet. So this is me right now. You can see that I'm only holding this Wojak token. If we go to open trades, these are the currently open trades. So this is actually a token that just got bought by one of the bots, it seems. Just bought it 30 seconds ago, so far up 1%. So let's see how that works out. And then if we go over to this research tab, this is where you can find all of the hottest tokens. You can sort it by smart money, which is sorted by right now. You can sort it by volatility index, volume, market cap, liquidity, etc. You can then see smart swaps as well to see what smart wallets are buying and the specific smart wallets that are trading right now. So these are all the smart wallets sorted by PNL. So these are the smart wallets making the most amount of money currently. And if we click onto this page right here, you get an even more detailed breakdown of that specific wallet. So you can see all of their trades right here. You can see their stats, their PNL in percentage, their PNL in cash. And once you find a good wallet you actually want to copy, you can just click on copy trade right here and set it up like I showed you previously. So Mizar offers some great ways to find new tokens and really profitable wallets to copy, as well as their bots that can help you make a lot of money. And then they also have their alpha program, where if you're an alpha caller, you can actually make money by sharing alpha on their platform. So if we go to alpha calls, these are some of the calls that have been made recently. And if you upgrade your account, you can get access to all the alpha calls happening on their platform, which is just another great way to get ahead of the masses and get in early on new tokens. Now, as you can see, this is all in their DEX section, because they do also offer a way to connect to centralized exchanges for copy trading. So if I head over to SEX, as you can see, it says connect to any exchange, for example, Binance. You can connect your API keys, subscribe to a copy trading bot, and then copy trade straight from a centralized exchange as well, which is just another really cool feature. So Mizar is a great platform for trading meme coins in the current market, and especially with features like their smart money tracker as well as their volatility bots, it gives you a lot of unique features that other bots do not offer to help you make as much money as possible. So let me know what you think of Mizar down below. If you do want to sign up, make sure you do so with my link down below to get less fees on their platform. Let me know what you want to see next on the channel, or if you want me to put their copy trading feature and volatility bot to the test properly for a proper challenge. Let me know down below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.